Sebastian Inlet State Park is located in southeast Brevard County, Florida, on the Brevard and Indian River County border. It is a place where history, nature, and adventure meet. It is a place where you can explore the past, enjoy the present, and imagine the future. The past is alive in museums that tell the stories of the people who lived and worked in this area. You can learn about the 1715 Spanish treasure fleet that sank off the coast, leaving behind millions of dollars worth of gold and silver coins and artifacts. You can also learn about the fishing industry that shaped the local culture and economy for generations. You can see the tools, boats, and equipment that fishermen used to catch snook, redfish, bluefish, and mackerel from the jetties in the lagoon. The present is vibrant in the natural beauty that surrounds you. You can walk along 3 miles of pristine beaches, collecting shells and observing sea turtle nests. You can swim, snorkel, scuba dive, or surf in the clear blue waters of the Atlantic Ocean. You can canoe or kayak in the calm waters of the Indian River Lagoon, where you might spot dolphins, manatees, pelicans, and ospreys. You can hike or bike on the Hammock Trail, where you can see raccoons, opossums, bobcats, and alligators. The future is exciting and the possibilities that await you. You can camp in one of the full facility campsites or rent a boat from the concessionaire. You can join a ranger-led tour and see nesting loggerhead sea turtles or watch right whales migrating along the coast. You can participate in one of the surfing competitions that are held here every year, or just relax and enjoy the view from one of the waterfront pavilions or picnic areas. Sebastian Inlet State Park is a place where you can have fun, learn something new, and make memories that will last a lifetime. It is a place where you can discover your own treasure.